Unlock instant likability with these psychological hacks. Asking for their advice is a gesture that shines a light on the value you place in their opinion. It creates a beautiful foundation of trust and respect, letting them know that their thoughts and experiences are not just heard, but genuinely considered. It's a way of saying, "You matter to me," without the need for grand gestures or elaborate words. Remembering and using their name during conversations is a simple yet powerful way of showing them they are important to you. A person's name is to them the sweetest sound in any language. It acknowledges their identity and uniqueness, making them feel seen and appreciated in the simplest, most direct way. Maintaining consistent eye contact is the silent language of respect. It communicates your focus and interest in what they have to say, creating a connection that words alone cannot. However, the key is in the balance, enough to convey your attention, but not too much that it becomes uncomfortable. Showing genuine interest in their stories and opinions is like opening a door to their world. It's an invitation for them to share parts of themselves, fostering a deeper connection. When you listen with your heart, you make them feel valued and understood, strengthening the bonds of trust and friendship. Using open body language is like extending an invisible hand, inviting them into your space and life. It says, "I'm open to you and what you bring." This approachability lays the groundwork for a relationship built on mutual respect and warmth, making it easier for connections to blossom and grow. Sharing a secret with someone is a profound gesture of trust, creating an unspoken bond that deepens intimacy. It's in these moments of vulnerability that relationships are strengthened, for when you open up your heart, you invite someone to understand the real you, building a foundation of mutual trust and respect. Laughing at their jokes is more than just a response. It's an affirmation of their humor and personality. When you sincerely find joy in their words, it boosts their confidence and solidifies your connection. This simple act of appreciation can turn a fleeting moment into a cherished memory, enhancing the warmth between you. Assisting them with small tasks might seem insignificant, but it's a powerful demonstration of your support and care. These acts of service, no matter how minor, show that you're willing to invest your time and effort into their well-being, reinforcing a foundation of dependability and kindness in your relationship. Listening more than you talk is not just polite, it's a profound way to show you value their thoughts and feelings. In a world where everyone wants to be heard, choosing to listen makes them feel respected and understood. This selfless act fosters a deeper emotional connection, making your relationship richer and more meaningful. Displaying confidence without arrogance is a delicate balance that commands respect and admiration. It's about knowing your worth without diminishing others, creating an environment where trust and admiration flourish. This magnetic quality not only draws people closer, but also inspires them to see the best in themselves, fostering a cycle of positive reinforcement and mutual respect. Asking for their advice is a profound way to show you value their opinion. It's not just about seeking guidance, it's a testament to their wisdom and experience. This simple act can make them feel respected and cherished, strengthening the bond between you as they share their insights with generosity. Remembering and using their name during conversations is a powerful tool in forging a deeper connection. It's a subtle but clear signal that they are important to you. This personal touch can transform an ordinary interaction into a memorable one, making them feel seen and valued in a world that often feels impersonal. Maintaining consistent eye contact is the silent language of trust and confidence. It conveys that you are fully present, genuinely interested in what they have to say. However, the key is balance. Too much can be intimidating, too little might seem disinterested. It's about finding that perfect harmony to communicate your sincerity. Showing genuine interest in their stories and opinions is like offering a gift of your attention. It's an affirmation that their experiences and thoughts are worthy of being heard and valued. This validation can foster a profound sense of connection, making conversations with you a source of joy and fulfillment. Using open body language is like opening a door, inviting people into a space of warmth and trust. With arms uncrossed and a welcoming posture, you signal that you're approachable and receptive. This nonverbal cue can break down barriers, paving the way for deeper, more meaningful interactions. Sharing a secret with someone is a profound act of trust. It creates a special bond, a unique intimacy that is both precious and delicate. When you confide in someone, you're not just sharing information, you're inviting them into a closer circle of your life. This gesture of vulnerability is a powerful way to deepen a connection, making the relationship richer and more meaningful. Laughter is the universal language of connection. When you laugh at someone's jokes, you're not just acknowledging their humor, you're affirming their value and making them feel appreciated. This simple act can uplift their spirits and strengthen the bond between you, creating moments of joy and shared understanding that are both memorable and cherished. Assisting with small tasks may seem trivial, but its impact is anything but. This shows you're not just a bystander in their life, but an active participant who cares. Whether it's helping with a project or just offering a listening ear, your support can lighten their load and brighten their day, reinforcing your commitment to their well-being. Listening is an art that speaks volumes about your regard for someone. By prioritizing their words over your own, you show a genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings. This selfless act of giving them your full attention not only validates their experiences, but also fosters a deeper, more empathetic connection. Confidence is magnetic, inspiring those around you. Yet the key is to balance this confidence with humility to avoid arrogance. When you display this blend of self-assurance and modesty, you become a beacon of strength and reliability. It encourages others to see you as a leader and a confidant, someone they can both admire and trust. Offering sincere apologies when you're in the wrong is a powerful act of humility and integrity. It bridges gaps and mends fences, showing that your relationship holds more value than your ego. This gesture of vulnerability fosters a deeper connection, proving that strength truly lies in admitting our faults. Celebrating their successes as if they were your own is a testament to genuine companionship. It's a joyous affirmation that their achievements resonate deeply with you, reinforcing a bond built on mutual happiness and support. This shared joy not only strengthens your connection, but also propels it into a nurturing and encouraging partnership. Finding common interests lays the foundation for a relationship rich in understanding and camaraderie. It transforms mere acquaintances into confidants, threading your lives with shared passions and experiences. This mutual exploration of common ground cultivates a deeper understanding and appreciation of one another, making your bond unbreakable. Giving someone space when they need it is a profound act of respect and understanding. It's acknowledging their need for solitude or reflection without taking it personally. This space allows them to grow individually, which in turn strengthens the fabric of your relationship, making it more resilient and understanding. Engaging in light teasing is a delightful way to build a playful connection, showing that you're comfortable and enjoy each other's company. It's a dance of words that invites laughter and shared moments, weaving a thread of joy and ease into the tapestry of your relationship, making every interaction a cherished memory. Showing empathy towards their feelings and situations bridges the gap of misunderstanding and seeds the ground for a deeper connection. When we step into their shoes and view the world from their perspective, we not only validate their experiences, but also illuminate the path to a more compassionate and understanding relationship. Being consistently reliable is a cornerstone of trust in any relationship. It's about being a beacon of stability in their lives, where they know without a shadow of a doubt that they can count on you. This reliability becomes the silent language of loyalty and deepens the bond between hearts beyond mere words. Encouraging them to pursue their goals and dreams is akin to giving wings to their aspirations. In a world that often tells us to be practical and limits our potential, being the cheerleader for someone's ambitions injects hope and energy into their journey. It's a powerful affirmation that their dreams are valid and achievable. Always being respectful, regardless of the situation, is a testament to your character and the depth of your regard for them. Respect is the foundation upon which all successful relationships are built. It communicates value, dignity, and worth, creating an environment where mutual growth and understanding can flourish. Using their favorite phrases or words is a subtle yet profound way of showing attentiveness. It's like speaking to their heart in a language that's uniquely theirs, making them feel seen and appreciated. This small gesture can significantly strengthen the connection, making every interaction more meaningful and personal.